Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Apecoin officially crosses the first target of $19. I think as of right now, we are headed towards 22 bucks. We did have that initial pop. We kind of traded sideways. For today, for the week, we've been slowly trickling up. For the day, we slowly just traded sideways from 16 all the way up to around 18 bucks. And then we have that pop that we just had right now to all-time highs. Well, not all-time highs, because all-time highs is actually somewhere on the range of $38 to $40, where I do think we are headed. But as of right now, we did pop to 1965. So we did break relative highs. As of right now, I do think we might come back down and retest a little bit. But yeah, I think we're headed to, I think the next level is roughly $21.35 between there and 22 bucks. After that gets broken, and after that gets confirmed, I think the next level is going to be $29. And I think after $29 gets broken, I think we're headed back to all-time highs of $38, $40. After that gets broken, I think we are headed to 100 bucks. I'll be completely honest. I think after 40 bucks gets broken, I think $100 is an extremely high probability, especially with Apecoin having a very small market cap of only $30 billion at $100 coin, right? Because right now the market cap is barely, it's $5.5 billion market cap at 20 bucks, right? So 20 times 5 is $100 coin, which means that 5 times where we are now, we're roughly looking at $27.5 billion market cap to see Apecoin at $100 a coin, which is extreme, which is crazy, because Doggy at peak high hit around $90 billion market cap, or 90 billion bucks, I think, 90 billion market cap. And I think Shiba Inu at peak high did something like, I think it was like maybe 40, 50, 60 billion market cap. So I don't know. I think we're well underway and headed right now at least to 22 bucks. And again, after that gets broken, I think we're going to 29. After that gets broken, we're going to 40. After that gets broken, I think it's a super high probability that we're probably going to go to $100, especially with the market cap being so low at $5 billion. We do have April 30th, the first release of the other side news. And then after that, we'll see what happens. If at some point in time, other side or any other confirmation from the other side metaverse gets released, and they will not be using Apecoin as a governance token for the metaverse, I am 100% out of this project. I will say that again. If the other side metaverse that is going to be released with Apecoin, if that gets released, if the news gets released, and they say that Apecoin is not going to be used in the other side platform, I am 100% out of this position. But as of right now, TA wise, we broke 19. I think we're going to 22 bucks. After that, I think we're going to 29. After 29, 38, 40. After 40, I think we're gonna probably go straight to 100 bucks. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.